Hello everybody and welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly. I hope you've all had a fabulous week. You've been enjoying the sunshine where you can in your gardens and with your family, and making sure that you've been on your Google Classroom activities and reading every day, which I know you would have done. So let's get started as soon as possible. So we'll start with our Heart Award winners this week. We have in reception, we have Oscar James. And Miss Maynard has been telling me that he has been incredibly enthusiastic about the read writing lessons in his classroom, even rewatching the videos where he can. So well done you, Oscar. We have in year one, we have Jasper, and I've seen a fabulous picture of the bog baby that Jasper's made, that he made out of all natural materials that he's found in his garden and on walks around his area. So well done you, Jasper. We have Sydney in year two, so well done Sydney for your continued extra effort on Google Classroom, making sure that you're doing your activities and trying your best, so well done you. In year three, we have Harry. Now, Harry has done an amazing job this week. He has been uploading lots of extra videos of him reading the fabulous book Mr. Stink. Well done, Harry. I'm looking forward to seeing those videos and being able to share with everybody. What a great effort and going that extra mile. So well done you. In year four, we have Amber Lily. And Amber Lily has been working incredibly hard on her Google Classroom, but she's been also showing lots of enthusiasm about completing her activities. So well done you, Amber. And in year five, we have Daya, who I know Miss Williams is incredibly proud of for her extra work that she's been doing this week, especially in English, and really the extra work she's been doing with her relative clauses. So well done you, Daya. We're really proud of you. In year six, we have Lily, so a family double this week, who has been completing as many of her Google Classroom activities as possible. But just as importantly, she has been really positive about her learning and being enthusiastic about what she's achieving. So well done you, Lily. And over to our value VIPs, we have in reception Tiana, who has been really responsible for her own learning this week, making sure that she's been trying her best and doing it with a smile. So well done you, Tiana. In year one, we have Talassi, who's taken real responsibility for her learning this week. And Miss Rose tells me that she's been trying extra hard with her handwriting. So well done you. In year two, we have Scarlett, who has been working really hard this week to not only complete the activities on her Google Classroom, but to make sure that she completes them to the highest standard that she can. So well done you, Scarlett. I know that Miss Rigdon would like to make an extra special mention for Evie this week, who has gone way above and beyond in some of her work, especially a bit of work about a Mrs. Clatterbottom, so I hear. So well done you, Evie. I look forward to seeing the piece of work, so well done you. In year three, we have Harmony. And Miss Harris Scott tells me that she has been working really hard on her work this week because Harmony has been working off the pack of work that Miss Harris Scott sent out, but she's been going above and beyond to make sure that she takes photos of it and uploads it to the Google Classroom anyway. So well done you, Harmony. In year four, we have Paige, who has taken real responsibility for her learning this week and has even been pushing Mum to upload some extra work that can be included in the class newsletter to share with her colleagues and her friends in her class. So well done to you, Paige. In year five, we have Leon, who has been working really hard this week to engage in all of his Google Classroom activities and complete everything on time and to the best that he can do. So well done you, Leon. And in year six, last but no means least, we have Lila. And Lila, as mum, is really proud of her this week for taking extra responsibility for her learning and working really hard to do the best that she can do. So well done to you, Lila. And well done to all of the children this week that have shown that they are true heart and value VIP winners, but also to all the children at home that have been working hard. Well done to everybody that's been taking part in the home learning house challenges. Keep an eye on your Google Classrooms to announce the winner for this week's challenge. But next week's challenge is going to be something really, really exciting and something the whole family can take part in. So well done to you. Have a fabulous weekend. Enjoy the special sunshine and make sure that you're keeping safe and socially distanced. And we look forward to seeing you all on your Google Classrooms next week. Bye-bye.